Morning, good afternoon, and good evening for whatever part of the day you're watching this video in. My name's John Vitale, and I'm your host here on the Four Parks Newscast. We're going to hop right into it. We're talking Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. As of tonight, as I make this video on March 2nd, new photos of the Runaway Railway have been released by Disney, showing in-ride queue, where you'll go in and you'll watch the new Mickey Mouse short theater, on-ride scenes. You see you see the trackless ride. You can check that whole entire blog. We made a whole blog post about it over at fourparks.wordpress.com. Go ahead and check that out. You can see all the photos that were released. You can check them out. You can see our thoughts and opinions on it. But the main thing we're here to talk about tonight is the new promotional video that Disney has also released along with the photos of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. The new promotional video, it shows the main entrance with the neon light sign marquee outside. That's where it says Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It shows, like I said, the trackless ride vehicles. It shows the scenes. It shows all the cool 2D effects, the vibrant colors. The new characters we'll see. It shows where you go face to face with the angry Donald driving a truck. You see all different things. And actually, we have the video. We have it. We're going to show it to you right now. So here we go. Let's take our first look inside Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Roll it.
Howdy, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there. Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mick and Minnie.
Sure you take good care of our friends.
Watch, there was rain. What could possibly go wrong?
Not a chance. Stampede! They're running wild!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! We'll be right down!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park.
Nothing can stop us now. I am so proud that we would finally make it. We've had one.
Doesn't that look awesome? Like, how great does that video look? Like, how awesome does that trackless ride look? And if you notice on the ride vehicles, you can actually tell. It's almost like a little wink to the Great Movie Ride with the ride vehicles. They look just like the old ones. You remember on the Great Movie Ride, it was like almost like a giant little stage train, I guess you could call it. It would just take you through all different scenes. But this one, it's the same concept, but it's trackless, and it's just awesome. The ride looks so much fun. It opens We might see people riding it tomorrow night with the opening ceremony they're doing over at Hollywood Studios, which, by the way, that will be streamed live from Disney Parks. So, and we're going to go live tomorrow night watching that live stream on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe to that one, because that's going to be interesting. We'll be watching that one live with you guys, with everybody else. So that'll be fun. That'll be our first live stream over here at the Four Parks blog. But anyways, enough about us. Let's keep talking about Runaway Railway and that awesome promotional video. Like, that was awesome. I cannot wait to ride this ride. I will literally wait all day long to ride this ride. And I think it's just such a big deal. To me, it's a big deal. Because I grew up down there, and I grew up going to Disney World, and I grew up seeing, inside of Mickey and Minnie's house over there in the little Toon World they had, and now that that's gone, this is so cool to finally get a Mickey Mouse ride at a Disney park. I mean, the ride is, the main theme of the ride is based around Mickey and Minnie trying to find that perfect picnic, get that perfect picnic. As you can see, you start off by following them through the trip through the park, followed by a tunnel. In the tunnel, you finally encounter Mickey and Minnie with the car driving alongside them. We've seen that. That's kind of been the whole main photo we've seen throughout this whole process that Disney's been releasing things to us. You'll be hearing new audio animatronics. You'll see, all the scenes, there's so many scenes, the 2D effects. You'll literally be seeing just everything. The angry Donald Duck. Oh my God, I love Donald Duck. And then you saw the Jackhammer Pete down there. You see everything. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be awesome. This whole ride has been a whole Imagineering experience, and I say that because this ride truly came from the heart of Imagineering. I mean, the concept, the art, the audio, the animatronics, the new theme song we'll hear, the new Mickey Mouse short. This is a truly Imagineering ride. Everything was developed by Imagineering, and I love, the whole the Imagineering story on Disney Plus. I love that. So I'm really excited to see what Imagineering has pulled out of the bag. I'm really excited to see what they've blended in with this. I just, this is so cool. This is just such a great ride. It's probably gonna be one of the, if not the new hottest ride in Hollywood Studios besides Rise of the Resistance. I mean, as you can see, it's a very family-friendly ride. It's not some crazy coaster. There's no crazy drops. It's just a fun, zany, adventurous ride, and I'm really excited to ride it. Sadly, I didn't get a fast pass for it when the fast passes were released. I know a lot of people who did. So, and I've talked to cast members who have rode the ride, and they have said the ride is literally, it's literally from the heart. It's literally as if you were to go in an Imagineer's head and just pick things out that's Mickey Mouse related on the current stuff. That's literally what they said it was. So I'm really excited to ride this ride. I hope you guys get the chance to ride it. Anyways, let's get back to a little bit more of the theme of the ride. More on, once you get out of the tunnel, Mickey and Minnie don't know that Pluto went away in the, snuck away in the trunk. So when they hit a little speed bump, he goes flying out of the trunk with the picnic basket. And throughout the whole ride, Pluto is trying to get the picnic basket back to Mickey and Minnie as they try to find that perfect picnic. But what could possibly go wrong as this happens? Who knows? We'll see what happens. The different ride scenes. You'll visit a carnival, stampedes to the Wild West. You'll escape an exploding volcano. You'll dive over a waterfall, and there's just going to be so many cool things for this ride, so many cool scenes, so many cool features. I'm just so excited to see what Imagineering's done with this ride. Like, I'm very happy to ride it. I'll be riding it this weekend, and it's just going to be great. It's going to be great. There's a couple little hidden Mickeys on the ride. I mean, what would a Mickey Mouse ride be without any hidden Mickeys? So We'll try to spot them. If you guys spot any, let us know. Tweet at us. Well, I guess I say us. It's really just me. Tweet at me at John Vitale on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter for all the latest and greatest Disney parks updates, for all the Disney news. Go ahead, drop a follow. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. And we'll be there. We'll be there this weekend covering all things Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. We'll be covering Flower and Garden. I'm going to try to get a couple vlogs made for you guys to try and, share my experience with the queue and waiting in line, which honestly, I'm happy I didn't get a fast pass because this is a queue kind of like Millennium Falcon. I was really excited to wait in that queue because I know there's going to be a lot of cool things in the queue, and we're going to play the trivia game, and we're going to check it all out. So if you guys see any of those hidden Mickeys I was talking about, go ahead and check it out. So we're just really excited to see this. I know a lot of people are. I'm going to stop rambling on about the ride. I'm going to let you guys experience it for yourself. So thank you all for watching. As always, my name is John Vitale. Follow me on Twitter for the latest and greatest Disney parks news and updates and all the fun, wacky things we're going to do. Go ahead and check out our blog, 4parks.wordpress.com. I'll leave a link to that and down in the description. Follow me on Instagram, John Does Disney on Instagram. I'll leave a link to that. And like and subscribe for more Disney news. I just want to say thank you everybody who's been supporting so far. This is awesome. This is something great. Thank you all for watching. Have a magical day.